Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And Alice is here, so we're going to teach very practical Hakka. And you know what? Since the weather is changing so much right now, 最近天气呢，又热啊，然后又会下雨啊，很多不一样的变化，而且大家都会讲到说 global warming, 全球暖化。
对。
Let's teach people terms associated with the atmosphere,
好。
okay? Like the weather, okay? Because in Chinese, when you use the word sky, you're referring to a lot of weather patterns, okay? For instance, weather, 天气怎么说？
甜死。
甜死就是天气 That's the weather. 那比如说今天天气很好，
今晡日天死东好。
今晡日天死东好。Let's teach people how to say it's getting bright outside or it's getting dark outside. 我们早上啦，或者是晚上啦，就会说天亮了，或天黑了，对不对 ？OK， 天亮了怎么说？
天光。
天光，感觉好像是天空哦，天光
不是天光，
光发亮光了，
对，光啊。
Okay, that means it's getting bright outside.
那海陆腔天光。
different dialect. 天公，听说的那种天公，天公。That's a different dialect for it's getting bright, or during evening hours, it's getting dark. 天黑，
团雾，
团雾。Okay, let's make a sentence out of one of these terms. How about when it's getting bright outside, it's time to wake up. 天亮了，该起床喽。
天公嘞，好风虫嘞。
天公嘞，后后虫嘞，是这样吗？ Okay, finally, sometimes during summertime, even though it's so hot and sunny, but it still rains a lot. 我们还是教大家，如果这个下雨的时候，雨天怎么说好了。
好，可以讲落水田，
落水田，
或者是落一田。
落一田，这我懂了，因为一个是落水天，一个是落雨天。
对对，感觉是这样。
Two different ways of how to say it's a rainy day. 下雨天真的很讨厌。It sucks that it's raining.
落水田當敵人鬧。
落水田當敵人鬧。All right, that means again, it sucks, it's raining. All right, let's review these terms associated with the atmosphere. It's 天氣, the weather.
天死。
天死, and it's getting bright, 天亮。
天光。
天光, and it's raining, 雨天。
落水田。
落水田。
或者是落一田。
落一田, those are both rainy days. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只是张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.